Hello friends, welcome to Smart Learning Tube. Today we will write an essay on Krishna Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami is a Hindu festival which is celebrated annually as birth anniversary of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is considered as the eighth incarnation or avatar of Lord Vishnu. He was born to play different roles of a teacher, mentor, lover, deity, friend, etc. Lord Krishna holds a flute in his hand and he wears a peacock feather on his head. Lord Krishna killed Kansa, an evil king of Mathura, and made devotees free from his atrocities. Lord Krishna gave the supreme knowledge in the form of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. On Krishna Janmashtami, the temples of Krishna are filled with devotees for worship and prayer. Many people observe complete fast while some only rely on fruits on Krishna Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami is celebrated all over India with great zeal and zest, especially in Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Bihar, etc. In Maharashtra, people gather on a place for Dahi Handi function in which participants make a human pyramid and break the earthen pot hanged high between two poles. If you like the video, then do not forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more such educational videos. Thank you.